The Toyota RAV4 turns 30 this year, and it is still obvious why the compact crossover regularly ranks as the best-selling non-pickup in the US. There's nothing flashy here. The RAV4's focus is on getting every job done without a fuss. It is practical, fuel-efficient, and rugged-looking. Available all-wheel drive systems add a little bite to the stylistic bark of an SUV that's actually best when tackling familiar suburban tasks. It offers plenty of features, and its wide price range suits shoppers of many budgets. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder and 8-speed automatic delivers restrained acceleration in the name of good fuel economy. Beyond the attractive base price, cargo-friendly interior, and sensible road manners, Toyota also includes a host of driver assistance tech and desirable infotainment features as standard. Two more ways the RAV4 continues to be a challenge for rivals to overcome. A hybrid and a plug-in hybrid powertrain are also available, but we review those models separately. Army Green, a paint color already seen on several of Toyota's bigger trucks and SUVs, makes its way to the RAV4 this year. The hue will be offered on the Adventure and TRD off-road trims as a no-cost option. A two-tone color combo will also be available for the She's variants, paired with either a white or a black roof. The price of the 2021 Toyota RAV4 starts at $30,025 and goes up to $39,645 depending on the trim and options. Although we're drawn to the TRD off-road, we'd practice restraint and choose the mid-range XLE Premium. It provides plenty of standard equipment that the LE and XLE don't offer as standard, or at all, such as fog lights, 19-inch wheels, a power lift gate, a moonroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, faux leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob,